Want to deactivate or delete your Facebook account on your computer, but not sure where the options are? Let me show you the exact steps. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com, then log in. Now click your profile icon in the top right corner. Click Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. Next, open Account Center on the left side. Inside Account Center, click Personal Details. Now choose Account Ownership and Control. Here you will see Deactivation or Deletion. Click on it. Select the Facebook account you want to deactivate or delete. You will see two options: Deactivate Account, Temporary. Delete Account, Permanent. Choose the option you want. Now Facebook will ask for a reason. Select any reason you prefer. You may see another screen asking if you want to deactivate instead of deleting. If you still want to delete permanently, click Continue with Deleting. Next, click Continue again. Enter your Facebook password to confirm. Then click Delete Account. Your account will now be scheduled for deletion after 30 days in case you change your mind. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now deactivated or set for deletion. If this helped, please subscribe for more simple tech tutorials from Mr. Tech Fox.